Hello viewers, how are you? Hopefully you're fine. In this strategy, I'm using two indicator, and this two indicator is giving you accuracy of around 100% accuracy. Just watch the complete video. Do not miss any point, okay? Because this is the most important, and you will find it's more accurate system in the whole YouTube. You cannot find a better strategy from this one, okay? For first we have need to understand. Here you can see this is the live signal here, okay? And here I'm using two EMA lines. Let's first understand the basic concept of EMA and simple होगा 4 point. The simple होगा magic indicator, and magic trade indicator is giving you the signal like this one, okay? But here you will find there are some fake signals, like how, like this one, you got the sell signal, and here you can see you got the buy signal, okay? So in this trade you are getting almost none profit, okay? So zero profit in this trade, but that is profitable, that is a profitable signal, and that is not a profitable signal. But this one profitable, that is also a profitable signal, and that is also a no profit here. But here you can see this is a profitable signal. But if we'll take trade, and if we will exit that trade at this point, then definitely is profitable. And how we now so that's why we have need to add second indicator. The second indicator will look like this one. So how you are getting fix how you can um, protected your trade from the fake signal, okay? Let's discuss this one, okay? Now first you have need to watch when you got the signal here. Here the second indicator actually giving you like this one. It will give you the band line and the RSI, okay? This is the RSI ribbon, okay? And the second thing is here the band lines, okay? Three band line, upper band line, lower, and the, if you will got the signal like here, you got the signal, then definitely you have need to catch. If you got the signal, then definitely you have need to catch. If you got the signal sell signal at this point, then we do not need to catch, because this is the boundary, okay? Market will flow on between the band lines, okay? You can see, okay? But if we will find like first we have to understand, it's a little bit complicated, but it will, you will find 100% accuracy, okay? Here you can see this one signal, and it gives you some awesome profit. This one signal gives you some good profit, and this one is also a much profitable, and this one is a live signal as, okay? So we have need to discuss this strategy completely in the Euro USD. Let's see. Here you will find first you have need to watch when you got the signal, you have need to open your buy trade, and when candle touch to the upper band line, need to close your trade. Do not need to wait for this sell signal. Open your buy position, close the trade when cannot touch to the upper band. That's it, okay? The second thing, if you got the signal and candle is almost touching to the lower band line, so we are not interested, okay? We definitely will not take the interest when we got the sell signal and the candle is almost touching to the lower band, so we are not interested. But here buy signals, yes, we are interested. Take your profit. If you will not get another if you will not get sell signal, then you have need to open your buy position again when candle touch to the lower band line, and here you will find strategy like this one. You will find a candle touch to the lower band line, and after that the EMA line, the blue line, okay? The blue line here, this candle close upside from the EMA line, so that is your another buy position, and need to close your trade here, okay? Another buy position, and need to close your trade, okay? And let's see, and here that is the sell position. If you want to open your trade, you have need to close your trade, and this is a buy position, and close your trade. Do not need to wait more, just close your trade at this point. If you will open your sell position, then definitely you have need to close your trade. Here you can see, here you got the buy signal, but remember, you got the buy position, but Yes, we are interested on this trade. We are interested on this trade because we are getting the signal on the lower band line, but this you got the sell signal, but the candle is almost very close, or you can say almost touching to the lower band line. So we do not need to take this sell trade. We are interested to in this buy trade, and it will definitely will give you a profit. Okay, let's see the results in gold. In the gold, let me show you results. Here you got the sell position, need to close your trade. Buy position, close your trade here. Okay, let's see more. Here you got the sell position. Okay, close your trade. Another buy sell position and close your trade. Okay, here you got the buy position, close your trade because you got the sell signal, and here you got the sell position, close your trade and book your profit. Buy position, close your trade and book profit. Sell position, and so on. Here you will find it is much accurate in gold. Okay, you will find this one trade is also profitable, and here you can see almost getting 100% accuracy. Let me show you more example. Here you got buy position, close your trade, another buy position because the candle touching to the lower band line, and candle must come inside the EMA line. Okay, like here you can see after getting this candle close upside from the EMA line, so that is your buy position. uh, put your stop loss here and book your profit here. Okay, let's see more example. Here another buy position and close your trade, another buy position from this point, and you need to book your profit here. Okay, let's see more. And now let's see the results in some forex pair, because the mostly so in crypto I show you the results in the forex pair. Let's see the results in crypto market. Okay, let's see the results in crypto. In the crypto, BTC. Okay, here you will find sell signal, but candle is very close to the lower band line, so we do not need to take this sell signal. And buy position, yes, we are getting buy signal very close or below from the lower band line, so we are very interested, and you can book your profit here. Sell position, book your profit. If you got buy position, you can take, but I will not recommend this type of buy trade because this is upside from the middle line, so we cannot interest. But this is the perfect sell position, and you can see you got some good profit. Another sell position, and you can see you got some good profit. Buy position, book your profit. Sell position, book your profit. Buy position, book your profit. Sell position, and you need to book your profit here, not here. You have need to book your profit here. Buy position and close your trade. Buy sell position, or you can say it's not a profitable. That's it. That's actually that's fine actually. If you are getting 25 trades successful, and are out of 25 you are getting loss in one trade, that's actually not a big deal. Okay, here you got the sell position, and that is the position to take your profit. Like here when you are the position, the price was 96,205. When you book the profit, the price was around 95,805 and 16. Okay, that is actually a very big movement. Okay, Solana. Okay, here you can see this is the live demo example. Here you got the buy position, and yes, we are interested in this buy signal. In the BTC, we get buy position. You can see clearly visible now. You got the buy position, buy signal in the BTC. Okay, let's see. Here some internet issue maybe. Okay, let's see. Okay, now fine. And the Solana, yes, here you got the buy position, and you can see you got the profit here. Okay, and in the BNP, the price was that was awesome profit here. That was actually a very awesome profit. Okay, in the LTC. Okay, let's see, that was sell position, and that gave you some awesome profit. when you got the position, like the price was 127 and now the price is 115. That is actually a very awesome profit either. Okay, and let's see results in ARB, or let's see results in some other pairs, like let's see results in Indian market. Let's see in the Indian market. That is awesome, indicator is working awesome. Okay, you can see, watch, and that is awesome. That is actually awesome. That is a lost trade, but that actually fine. This trade, sell trade, yes, we do not need to take this sell trade. We need to take this buy trade, and that is a profitable. And this sell trade, yes, it's lost trade. It's a lost trade, but um, here you will find lot of profitable trades, and out of lot of profitable trades, if you are getting loss in one trade, that is actually fine. Okay, now the point is, my indicator work on all time frame or on all pairs. Yes, my indicator work on all pairs and on in all market 100% and working awesome. Okay, so first we have need to understand the concept. Yes, we now hopefully you will understand the concept. Now the second question arises in your mind, how you can get the indicator. So let me show you if you need my indicator. And the third question, how you can add the indicators, I will show you at the end of the video how you can add this indicator in your trading view chart and how you can get the indicator. Let me show you. If you need my indicator, you can contact me on my WhatsApp number. This is my WhatsApp contact details, and this is Telegram. If you want to contact me on my Telegram, remember write one at the end must, because there are some fake Telegram channels and there are scammers, so you have need to be aware. Do not join any fake Telegram channels. Just personal contact me on my Telegram and write one at the end must. Okay. Gmail simpleyoga@gmail.com if you want to contact me on my Gmail. I gave you the all details, and any further query you can ask me. And now how you can add the indicator in your trading view chart. Okay, so for how let me show you. Here we have indicators. Let me show you here. Desktop, one scripts, simple yoga 4.8 indicator, control A. If you need my all indicator, yes, available, you can buy my all indicators, there is no issue. Okay, and go control A, remove all the code, then paste my code, and then click on add to chart. The indicator will be look like this one. Let me show you. Okay, now the indicator will be look like this one, but we have need to change some setting. Go to the input and check the RSI, oh sorry, in table, and filling signal, and RSI is 75. Okay, and the third thing here is swing mode, uncheck. Now your setting is done and your indicator will be look like now this one. But here you can see there are a lot of buy and sell signal, and there are a lot of fake buy and sell signal, so we have need to uncheck the table because we do not need signals. Okay, but if you need, you can use it. Okay, there is no issue. Uncheck now the second. Okay, and the second thing, how you can get indicator, I show you the my contact details. If you need my indicator, you can contact me on my WhatsApp number. You can also contact me on my Telegram, or you can contact me on my Gmail, simpleyoga@gmail.com. And any further query, any question, you can ask me, and I give you the all details. Must like my video, must subscribe my channel. Any further query, you can ask me. For the next video, bye bye, take care.